Okay guys, so today is the third episode of building a faceless channel from $0 to $10,000 a month. We're gonna go over the analytics and everything that has happened so far. But before that, let me show you guys my Discord server I just made. It basically has a bunch of free tools to use, methods of making money, and all kinds of other stuff. I'm gonna keep updating the server non-stop, so make sure to check it out. I'm gonna link it as the first link in the description. So yeah, let's get started with the analytics. As you can see here, we're sitting at 166k views, 600 watch hours, that doesn't matter, and 361 subscribers, which is not bad. As you can see here, when we go to shorts, I just uploaded this one, so it has no views. But the recent videos have been doing pretty good. 30k, 10k, 30k. I'm stuck in the 30k view jail right now. So that's our next goal, to get out of it basically. I think we're gonna be able to do that within the next few videos. Just need to make sure they're high quality and everything else. But as you can see, there's 30k again. Then we have another 30k. It's looking pretty good so far. Let's check the audience. Here you can see that it's looking good when it comes to the age analytics. We don't want to see this. We want to see all of these, because that will mean that when we're monetized, we will have a higher RPM and CPM. United States, United Kingdom, which is good. This doesn't matter. And yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. As you can see, we had a good day here, over 100 subs gained. That was because I created, let me see. It was this video right here, as you can see, 244 subscribers from only 5k views. It was basically, let me show you actually.
Guys, I'm actually mad right now. My friend dared me and said there's no way I can hit 5,000 subscribers in 1 week. He said my channel's too small.
Basically, it was begging for subscribers, just in a polite way, and as you can see, it worked. So I uploaded another one like this right here, 1 hour 58 minutes ago, only 6 views right now, but I think it will go. Just gonna give it some time. I expect to hit 500 subscribers just from this video. And that's it really.